guys, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to be making deep fried tilapia fish, and the ingredients we have are cooking oil, black pepper, grounded black pepper, fish seasoning, and we have salt and 2 onions. So we have our fish in front of us here. We have already shown you how to cut fish. This is already cut. I bought this one already cut, but then I realized that they did not remove the gill. So I want to take off the gill. I don't want to cook it with the gill. And also another thing is the gill must look like really pinkish and fresh. If it is black, then you know the fish is really not that fresh. And also, you can also smell the fish just to make sure that it's fresh enough. And then with the gill, you put one finger in there and just pull it out like that. Just pull it out. Be careful, don't hurt your finger. That's taken off, and then you turn the other side, and then you remove it. Just pull it out like that. Yeah. That's done. So we are going to continue doing the same thing with the rest. Put your finger in there, pull it out. There, and then turn the other side. Don't worry about how it feels in your hand. This is just food. Nothing bad about it. Yeah. If you are squeamish, you may not like touching something like this, but you're going to enjoy it. You need to make it clean. When you go to the restaurant and then you order for fish, you know, it comes in the plate ready-made. You don't know what has been happening before it really came to your plate. So this is the kind of thing you really need to know for yourself, you know. So now we are going to just rinse off. I'd already washed it, but because I just removed the gill now. Make sure you remove it completely. Rinse it off completely, and make sure that the inside there is clean as well. So I'm just going to cut up the onions quickly. So now, before we season our fish, just going to cut the middle like that, so that when we put our salt or you know the spices can go deep down there. I think I'm just going to remove this one. It's on the way. You know, for some reason they put some small, some big. If they say medium should be almost the same. If they say large, then they should be the same. But if you find some very small, then they have cheated you. That's not good. So we are done now with that. Now what we are going to do next is just sprinkle our salt. Be generous with it, because some is just going to wash away in the oil. So can rub it all over. Let it go deep in, because really you want your fish to be flavorsome. Actually, you put some in the middle as well, in the inside, like that. I'll just do one at a time. I put salt first, then I go around. Now I'm just going to put the black pepper, sprinkle it in there, and the fish seasoning. The reason why I cut the onion is I'm going to put my onion inside there. If you want, you can also put like press one in there, maybe 1 or 2 inside the holes. It won't fall off. Even if it falls off, at least you know it will have done the job. That's it. Our fish is ready actually to be deep fried. I'm now going to do the rest, and then we can fry. Now that the fish are seasoned, I've turned the fire on, and I'm going to just put the oil to heat up. Full fire, high heat. You have got to make the oil heat up properly before you start placing your fish there. I'm going to just actually put all of it. If need be, I will top up with more. Before we start frying our fish, we just prepare our tray to receive the fish. Make sure that you put some tissue, kitchen tissue, to absorb the oil, because it's deep fried, so you don't want too much oil. Okay, I'm just going to start frying my fish now. Make sure you hold the fish from the tail like that and lower it. So we are going to fry one side thoroughly well, and then we turn the other side. Not quite, but it's alright. Our fish is coming good. See guys? Oh, and the smell is just so lovely. Some of the onion is coming up a little bit, but that doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter, because the flavor is still going into the fish anyway, even if they're outside in the oil. This takes about 10 minutes actually. But for the smaller fish, okay, let me say 10 to 15 minutes. But for the smaller one, it will take a shorter time, definitely. It can't be up to 10 minutes. Because the oil is already quite hot. Okay guys, as you can see, our fish is actually done. Yeah. What I normally do, just because I really want to try and get off the oil as much as possible from the top as well. This is done, so I'm going to put the next one, hold it from the tail and lower it. Actually, this one is more, so I can put two. So here is our final result. Deep fried tilapia fish. You can eat it with rice, with chips, sweet potatoes, posho, vegetables, or anything you like at all. Thank you so much. God bless you. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share our videos with others, so that they can learn also how to cook, how to fry tilapia fish. And also turn on your notification bell so that anytime we post our videos, you will be one of the first people to watch them. God bless you so much. Thank you.